everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today I decided to come up with a bit of a challenge. I have here a polybag set number 30404, released in 2018. It is from LEGO Friends, as you can see, and it is a flower in a vase. So I thought, hey, that's a nice simple build. I'll show you how to build this. And I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at the end of this video. But it's such a big one that I have my time machine round here. This one, you remember this one?
Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks.
On standby at the moment in case I need to zoom through some of the parts. But anyway, it'll be a bit of a challenge. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so looking around me, I'm seeing this set contains just about every single colour of the rainbow. Over here we've got greens and blues and pinks and yellows and oranges. We don't have red though. That's a bit of a shame. But anyway, let's get started. So we're going to start off with 2 of these 2x2 standard base plates, and we're going to stick them on top like so. And we're going to get 4 of these side attachment bricks with just 2 connectors. This nice light blue. I'm going to stick them all around in a circle. Like so. On top of that, we are going to attach 2 of these 2x2 round base plates in brown as well. This is obviously going to be the earth for our plant pot, and round the sides we're going to make 4 sides. So let's put that aside. A 2x2 standard base plate and a slope piece, a basic slope piece in this light purple. Just stick it on like that, and I'm going to make 4 of these. So there we have 4 of them, and what we're going to do is we're just going to stick them to the sides of the vase like so, just to surround the earth and to stop it from falling out. 4 more of these blue side attachment bricks are required to give us a nice firm structure. And what else do we need now? Okay, so we need a 2x2 round brick like this in brown, and around the sides 4 of these 2x2 standard base plates in pink as well. Again, we're going to enclose this earth even more. And now on one side we want a 2x2 jumper plate in this dark pink, and on another side we want 2 of these 1x2 pink tiles like so, and we need to repeat this pink tile pattern across the edges here. Yeah, it's a good thing I learned how to use my time machine properly. It really pays off now. Okay, another 1x2 tile in pink just above the jumper plate over here, and around the edges we want these double cheese slopes also in this nice pink colour, and this is just going to stop any water from leaking out. On the front we want to make sure that it is LEGO Friends, and every LEGO Friends set has something to do with hearts. So we're going to be using these 2x2 plates with connectors. Wait, hang on, lost it. Hang on, bear with me. Okay, found it again. With these connectors, and we're just going to stick them together like this to create a nice heart shape, and we're just going to stick it on the front like so. Now that we have our vase complete, we are going to be working on the flower now, so we're going to put that aside. We will need a 6 long bar in brown, and 3 of these light lime green tubular pieces, which are going to roll away from me because that's a custom of round pieces in there. We're just going to thread it through this open side of the bar like so to create a nice solid pyramid of tubular pieces. And on top we're going to get one of these 8 8 handle pieces, and underneath that this kind of special round base plate in this nice special green. We're just gonna stick it on top of here like so, stick it down firmly. Now here comes a little bit of repetition. We're gonna be making some petals. So for one petal we will need this bright orange grabber plate and this nice simple slope in this bright yellow orange, and we're just going to stick it on top like so, and I need to make 8 of these. There we go, we now have 8 of these, and now we need to attach them all onto these handles. And what's come across me now is that this is also a how-to video on how to make a giant flower out of Lego bricks, and trust me, this is a very, very complex flower. It will take me ages to finish this. So now we need 2 of these 2 by 2. Why do I keep saying 1 by 2? 2 by 2 round base plates in brown, stick them together like so, attach them on top of this flower. We need yet another one of these 8 handle pieces in white, stick that on top. Now we're going to make 4 new petals. We're going to put that aside because it's a bit in the way. So what we need is a 1 by 2 by 2, I believe, underside slope piece, and on top of that we're going to stick a 1 by 1 standard base plate like this, a white grabber piece like this one on top of that, and just to make sure it's secure, a nice simple yellow slope piece on top, and there we have 1 petal, and I need to make 4 of these. There we go, 4 petals of the same kind. Let me just arrange them nicely together. And we're going to stick with the underside slope facing downwards. Now, which side do we want it? We want it on the side where the arrows are pointing, like so. So just like this, like this. This is now a little bit of artwork, getting everything so nicely arranged on this flower. I feel a bit like some kind of Lego artist or something like that. Okay, and now we need 4 more petals, and unfortunately these are the last 4 petals. So we're going to put that aside right over there. So for our different kind of petal, we're going to get another one of those underside slope pieces, another one of those 1 by 1 base plates. But what's different is we're going to be using a different kind of grabber base plate. This one flat but yellow. We're going to stick that on top like so, and one of those regular slope curvy slope pieces like this, and I gotta make 4 of these, don't I? So there we have the 4 last petals. We're going to bring back our flower, and we're going to stick it in the remaining spaces. Just which way round are we going to do it? We are going to be doing it on its side, and it's nice because it kind of shows a much wider petal kind of formation. Just stick them along like so. I got to be careful because one touch and I'm going to ruin the whole look of the flower. So very lots of caution needed over here, but it looks nice. Ooh, if you spin it around, it looks like a sun, doesn't it? Whee! Okay, stop playing about now, Lego Separator. You got work to do. Okay, so we'll need a 2 by 2. Yes, I got it right. I said 2 by 2. Yeah, a 2 by 2 round base plate, and on top of it, 4 of these single round studs in brown. Remember the brown. This is going to be the center of the flower. Who knows what kind of flower this might be, actually? It could be a sunflower or something. We'll just stick it in the middle. Now we bring back our vase. Now I'll need to put this right back, right in front of here to get this in. So I'm just gonna give you a flower. Have a sniff at the flower. Does it smell nice? But we're gonna stick it into the vase like so. And there we've done it. So there we have it. Our flower is complete. Phew, that was such a long recording, but we did it eventually. It is hard to get this in here, but it is a very nice flower. Also, it could be a very nice gift for a friend. After all, this is Lego Friends, and what you can do well, expansions on this, you can create lots of different flower formations with pieces that you have, making lots of different colors. I believe this is supposed to be a sunflower because it's yellow and it's brown in the middle, but it could be something else like a marigold or something. And this vase is a very nice construction. And do I have someone over here? Oh, yes, I do. I have Stephanie in her kind of summery outfit. And she's wondering, wow, what a giant flower. Is it for me? But that's the end of our video. So I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you. And until next time, happy building! Look, I put the flower over here on the windowsill with my cactuses. Doesn't it look nice?